update video for the VR-60. Last time I told you I was going to break it down even further so you could really clean the gun. That's what I'm doing. So first, make sure she's clear. Obviously she is. Okay, this was from Tooth and Nail Armory. The, oh god, they call this like a choke muzzle brake or something like that, but really it's on a shotgun, so it's really not going to do anything, but it looks better than just flat, so that's why I got it. It just spins off. And you need to take this off before you take this off, or else it'll just slide and hit this. So you need to take this off first. So, alright. You need to take off your magazine tube cap. And like I said in my other video, there's a screw here. I think I took it off, I'm not too sure, but you don't need to take it off, so there you go. Take this off, put it to the side. All right. And you got another knurled nut right here. I'm holding this barrel down. Well, you don't need to anymore, but see how it pops up? Now you don't need to. Set that aside. Barrel. You're gonna notice it's not really coming out, so you gotta push back and out. There she blows. And this gun is dirty as hell. I just got back from the range. That will be getting cleaned with 000 fine. 000 fine grit steel wool. Okay, then from here, lock your bolt to the rear. Just like that. So the lever right here. Switch that bad boy down. Okay, release, slowly bring up. And when you're right about here, as you've seen in my other video, so you can slide this up and down. You're gonna have to line that up with the notch right here. Okay, and that's when you can pull out your bolt handle. My dogs are fucking fighting in the back, and I'm fighting with this. She's being a bitch today. Yeah, it's pretty much you're gonna line up the notch right there and then pull it out, but this is gonna take me some time. There it goes, finally got it off. Okay, after that, everything will come right out. Okay, and for the most part, you can clean it like this. I like getting thorough, so I'm gonna take the upper off of the lower. So this whole part right here will be coming off so you can get down in there. So what you're gonna need is there is a Phillips head screw right here. This is a Phillips head. Okay, fuck. This is no focusing, whatever. You guys know what a Phillips head screw is? Screw. And that comes off. Now on the inside of there, you'll see that right there. That is a 7/32. I think that's the fucking term. I'm not too sure. But I'm gonna use this rig to get that out. It's all kinds of extensions. And on the end is the 7/32 Allen head. So what I like to do, since as soon as you turn this motherfucker upside down, that falls out, is I will keep this right side up and then point it. Okay, once I get it, you can feel it on the screw. you flip it upside down while holding it still, putting tension on it. Shoot. Take your ratchet. And just loosen it. Now pretty much once you get loosened, just keep spinning it. I overspin it because I want to make sure that it's coming out. So that should be good. You see, it's lost in there. And then, there it goes. You have this screw with this plate. Remember to put this back together just like this, and the thinner side, the less thick side, is going to go towards the bottom when you put it in. So it's going to go like this, and you're going to put it in just like that. All right. So now that we got that screw out, we're going to separate top from the bottom. What I like to do actually is beat the shit out of it. So I'll just, there you go, and it fell off. Now, what happened was, or how you're going to put this back together is like this. Make sure you line that up with that. Okay, so you're going to put that on just like this. You're going to slide. You're going to get it right into place. Okay, there's still a gap here. Don't worry about it, just... And there it is. But this is a disassembly. I'm going to make a separate video of how to reassemble this after I clean all of this. So, stand by.